Good day mga kayutap!
This is Amelie Lecciones, your online sales marketing.
Ako naman po si Nathan Orgarin, your online sales marketing. And this is our Binondo showroom staff. Kami po ay direct manufacturing supplier
of interior and exterior finishing materials.
Tara! Samahan niyo kami! Let's go!
Hello mga kayutap! Dito tayo ngayon sa UTAP Binondo Showroom. Itutour namin kayo. Tara, pasok! Ngayon naman, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang magandang quality ng PVC ceiling panel namin.
Ayan po, based po sa nakikita ninyo, ang PVC panel po natin ay gawa sa polyvinyl chloride, isa type of high strength plastic na hindi po basta-basta nadudurog. Pwede po ito gamitin indoor ceiling and wall, at pwede rin po ito gamitin outdoor ceiling eaves, basta po hindi po siya direct sunlight.
Meron din tayong accessories na U-channel or J-clip pa-framing kung tawagin, at H-connector naman kung sakaling mahaba ang paglalagyan ng inyong area.
Our WPC and PVC products are anti-termites, fire retardant, water resistant, eco-friendly, durable, easy to install, and of course, budget-friendly. And of course, marami pa tayong mga product na pwedeng pagpipilian. Come and visit our warehouse located at General Trias, Cavite, Valenzuela City, and Mandawi, Cebu City.
Meron din tayong showroom na matatagpuan sa Binondo, Manila and Mexico, Pampanga. Come and visit na!